Hello. Thank you for choosing SP2000 system for transmission line fault monitoring and automated diagnosis. In this video we are going to show you how to install the terminals step by step. The installation process consists of 5 parts. 1. Unpacking and inspecting. 2. Changing SIM card. 3. Changing domain name. 4. Pre-installation under tower. 5. Installation on tower. Part 1. Unpacking and inspecting. Unpack the box and take out terminals. Remove the rubber and plastic bags. Keep them for later use. Check the appearance to make sure the glass cover and metal shell is not damaged. Part 2. Changing SIM card. Make sure the terminal is turned off and unscrew the hatch cover. Find the communication module. Use your finger or a non-metal tool to take out the old SIM card. Then, insert the new card into the same position. Be careful about the insertion direction. Stand the terminal upright with the antenna facing up. Apply a small amount of 703 glue to the contact position between the card and the card slot and let it dry for a minute. Install the hatch cover back to its correct position. First install the corner screws, then the side screws. Fasten the screws after installing all of them. Connect the GPS wire and PV panel wire as before. Screw the glass cover, turn on the terminal and inform Sunshine Engineer to check its online information on the server. After that, turn off the terminal. Part 3. Changing domain name. This part is crucial when terminal's ex-factory domain name is not the actual one during operation. In this part, we are also going to introduce how to charge terminals with empty battery. Use the M5 Allen driver to unscrew the corners of the terminal. Connect the GPS wire to the corresponding socket. Connect the PV panel wire to the PV socket. The red dot on the aviation plug should match with the one on the socket. Turn on the terminal and wait for about 1 minute until the green light starts to flash. The green light will not turn on when the battery is dead. Connect the charger to a stable power source and adjust the voltage to 12.0. Connect the aviation plug of the charger to the terminal socket. The battery will be full after about 4 hours. Then decrease the voltage and disconnect the aviation plug. Turn on the terminal and inform Sunshine Engineer to change domain name. After that, turn off the terminal. Part 4. Pre-installation under tower. Before departing for the tower, prepare all the accessories and tools. Confirm the installation location and outage plan. When arriving at the installation location, record the terminal serial number. Turn on terminals and check online information on the server. Choose silicone clamps of appropriate size. Apply a small amount of 703 glue to the curved surface of the clamp. Then press the clamp against the hinge clip of the terminal. Don't squeeze the edge of the clamp into the metal shell. There are 4 clamps in total for each terminal. Choose PTFE tubes of appropriate size. Use a knife to cut a triangular opening at both ends of the tube. Extend the opening wider for later convenience. Use the M8 hexagon socket screwdriver to open iron core hinge clip. Keep the iron core nuts and put them in pocket for later use. Carefully wipe the oil on the iron core with air-laid paper. Then close the iron core hinge. Part 5. Installation on tower. Transport the terminal onto the conductor and make sure it is well protected. Choose the installation position and wrap the equal potential wire around the conductor. Later this wrap position will be at the middle of the terminal axis. Squeeze the PTFE tube around the conductor. Make sure it is tight and does not slide. The equal potential wire should be fixed at the middle point of the tube. The opening of the tube should face up. Hold the terminal and make the antenna face the tower of larger number. Open the hinge clip, iron core and the sensor clip. Hold the terminal to press the clamp against the PTFE tube. Close the hinge, iron core and sensor clip. Push back the flange of the hinge clip. Use the M13 wrench to fasten the flange nuts. Then push the terminal to make sure it does not slide. During the whole process you should hold the terminal by hand to prevent it from falling. Connect the equal potential wire lug to the hinge clip beside the iron core. Please note the wire should never go through the iron core. Screw an M8 nut on each hinge clip and use a wrench to fasten them. Fasten an M5 flange nut on the iron core screw with M8 hexagon socket screwdriver. Then add an M5 lock nut for further fastening. Plug in the aviation plug switch and turn it on. The red dot on the switch should match the one on the socket. Now the green light is on. Then connect the GPS wire and the PV wire with corresponding sockets. When closing the glass cover, check both sides to prevent all wires from being pinched under the cover. Then tighten the four corners with M5 Allen driver. Turn on the terminal and apply 703 glue to the button. Then inform Sunshine Engineer to check the online information again. Now the terminal should be ready to work. Please don't let the cover dangle from the wires or apply force to the sensor hinge clip. Wrong actions will easily damage the terminal. After installing all three terminals, collect everything and get down from the tower safely. Once the transmission line is back to operation, you can start using SP2000 system.